You are welcome to this platform. In today's video, what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. You can make a cool money with this. We call it an arbitrage. It's an arbitrage. Let me just urge you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will understand how this thing works. It's very easy. You can make a cool money at least. If I'm not mistaken, you can be making at least, let's say, $100 in it. Let me just say $50 minimum. You can make minimum of $50, but you need what? A capital to start this particular arbitrage. What we need is just let's go to our Bybit account. So just let's head over to our Bybit account. So once it's load up, so it's open now. So this is our Bybit account. Mind you, I say you are gonna make a lot of money with this arbitrage. I'm gonna show you. It's very simple, very simple. Just trade. You will buy dog coin with euro, or let me say you are going to convert your USDT to euro. After you convert your USDT to euro, then you will now use that euro to buy dog coin. Then you now sell that dog coin back to your USDT. That means in three places, right? We just want to simulate. Because me, I don't have enough money yet. But if you can do it, maybe you have at least $1,000 or 1,000 USDT. You can do this arbitrage. Even you can talk to your friend. Maybe if you know any of your friend that is interested in this arbitrage, you can just talk to him. Then you and him can just hook up and you start this arbitrage. Though mind you, this arbitrage is not as I'm recording this video. If you can do it now, at least you will make a cool money. But sometimes it will be other way around. But I will still show you. So let's just dive into the video. What you need to do is just to go over to your sports page. So once we reach here, the first thing you need to do to take note is that you need to have at least 1,000 if you want to make cool money. If you want to make cool money with this arbitrage, at least you need 1,000 USDT for you to make cool money. So let me just explain it. So let's assuming I have 1,000 USDT in this my balance, though I didn't have up to that. But if you can have up to that amount, it's good. But let me just show you how you can do it. Just head over to your sports wallet. Then we've already have what's it called? 1,000 inside our wallet. So let's just select euro. What we need we need to convert our USDT to euro, but we just need to use that USDT to buy. You will sell your USDT for euro. So let's just search for USDT. So once you search for USDT, you're gonna see USDT euro. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it like this, it's an assumption. We have 1,000 USDT in our balance. So that our 1,000 USDT is gonna give us 919.9 euro. Our 1,000 USDT, so it's gonna give us 919.9. So let's assume the common charges during the purchase. Let's just say we have we are left with 919. Let's just say 0.6. So Bybit is gonna charge you for fee, maybe a little fee like that. It's not up to that it's not up to that 3 cents, but let's just put it in that way. Like, okay, we have 919.6. We have removed the fee that Bybit is going to charge us for selling USDT for euro. So after that, let's just copy this one. You don't need to copy it. Let's just memorize this. We have 919.6 as our hero balance inside this Bybit. So what we need to do now is just to click on this USDT Splash Hero. We click on it again, then you now search for dog. We are buying dog. We are using our hero to buy dogs. As you can see, we have dog USDT. We are not going there now. So we have dog hero. Just click on dog hero. So once we click on dog hero, don't forget we have how many heroes in our account. We have 919. Let's just buy. We are buying dog with hero. So let's just type 919.6. So how many we have here? We have 134,000. 1, 2, 3. I think we have 1,345,000. Let's just copy this one. So after we copy that one, we've already know how many dogs we have now. We have like 1 million plus dogs. So we are using this 919 hero to buy dogs. After we purchase that, we've already copied it. We now head over to this place, click on it again. We change this back to dog USDT. So we are going to sell that dog back to USDT, as you can see. So we just sell it. Let's paste that the one we copied. So right now we are in profit of $4, which is 4.9. So as you can see, we have 1,004.9. So and we start this arbitrage with $1,000. So during the conversion, at least let's say the whole fee we are going to be spending, let's say they charge us at least maybe 5 cents, which is 0.5. At least we are still in profit. We still have 4.4 as a profit. So if you multiply this 4.4, maybe if you repeat this arbitrage, so let's assume we were able to carry out this arbitrage for like 10 times. 4.5 multiplied by 10, what is it going to give us? 4.5 multiplied by 10. Let's just try it. 4.5 multiplied by 10. So at least with our $1,000, let's assume we do the arbitrage 10 times. We are going to make 45 what? 45 USDT. This 45 USDT multiplied by the rate now, 1,687. We make how much in a day? Which is 75,000 naira. This is salary for somebody in Nigeria right now. So I think that's how we run the arbitrage. If you are interested, but you need a capital, but sometimes, mind you, this arbitrage you see, sometimes it may be in another way around. We convert our USDT for hero. Sometimes you may use direct USDT to buy hero. Sometimes it will be other way around. Hope you all understand what I'm trying to say here. But because it doesn't stay, it's because look at it. Let me show you something. Let me show you something here. Let me just type dog. As you can see, even from this point, you will understand that okay, this market is gonna favor you. Look at it. We have dog USDT. Dog USDT is deep in minus 4.35. Why dog euro is still deep like 5.25%. That if you minus this from this one shows you already that okay, if you enter this market, you are going to make a little profit. Before, I've already calculated before, I was making $6 per each trade. So, but before I start recording or before I set up for recording this video, the the dip has already this zero. It was this dog USDT was 3.9 when I tried it before. So before I even set up my phone, maybe start recording, it has already reached 4. So that's the reason why we are not making enough profit. But at least $4 without doing anything, just for you to convert. You just convert it and you make your $4.5. If you repeat it times 10, you are making $45. $45 is 70,000 plus right now in Nigeria. A good money. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. See you in my next video.